Welcome to our All Together Passage series, a daily vlog taking you with us on our maiden voyage from France to Miami. We're on leg 3 to Miami.
Let me give you a quick update. 2:30 local time here. We're currently sailing with the code 65 as a head sail and a reef in the main. Let me give you a high-level overview. So that's the Dominican Republic, that's Haiti, that's Cuba, right there. We don't like going up and being close to the island here. We want to keep some room with for the wind to shift, so we can head up if necessary. We can head down as well. So we were under Genoa earlier. We just took the fell the Genoa, rigged the code 65, and now we have a better angle. Speed-wise, we're in the 910 speed over ground, and 16, 17 knots. It's pretty steady. We were getting some major shifts and major fluctuation in wind speed as well. So our track was all over the place. But since we left that area, and we've seen some more kind of stable winds, so that's good. So right now the plan for the rest of the night is to keep sailing fast with the code 65, and at daylight we'll probably be in A2 territory, so asymmetrical, so we'll rig that up, and in theory we'll be able to keep up the A2 all the way to Miami. That's the plan. The low pressure that we've sheltered away has moved northwest. A new high pressure is coming in place, and so we're getting that wind rotation, and that's what we're using right now to get over there to Miami. Check this out. It's been going, I don't know, 10 knots, definitely 9. Sunrise behind us, that means we're going the right direction. We're going west. We were getting some 20, 21, 22 up to 25 gusts. So we just furled the code 65, unfurled the Genoa, and we're using it on the barber hauler outside. We have one reef in the main, and for the next 3 to 6 hours it's going to be probably similar conditions.
we knew yesterday's video was going to be controversial. It was controversial for us too. But based on the comments, it seems like most of you understood our dilemma and our situation. I did want to address some of the comments about bribery. We do not advocate at all doing that. That is not how we roll. And I don't think that's how it works in the Dominican Republic based on how the conversations we had with local people there. It's against the law. That'll get you in trouble. I also want to say that we are in no way trying to advocate for going against local advice. We are just sharing our narrative about what we did. And, you know, the thing about sailing is it's like 5% sailing and 95% taking calculated risks. That's what I think, from my point of view. And calculated risks lead to good outcomes, and sometimes they lead to bad outcomes. One calculated risk we took was anchoring in St. Anne, Anchorage, which is this beautiful open anchorage. After we crossed the ocean, we were like, this is going to be great. There's plenty of space, no issues, and we got T-boned. So that was a calculated risk that we thought had very low potential for a negative outcome, and that's what happened. And I really appreciate all the comments. And by the way, I did get a cookie. I got 2 cookies actually. I pack a lot of cookies while we're on these passages because they seem to get eaten. It used to be just Stephane eating them, and yeah, I need to like get back to a regular, I think, snacking schedule. I need more carrot sticks on board maybe. Anyway, it's beautiful. The waves are kind of moderate, I would say, sporty. There's definitely some white caps, but nothing the boat can't handle. The wind has been about between 16 and 20. We'll get a gust every once in a while of 25, 26. We have 1 reef in the main, and that's just kind of keeping the boat stable, given the conditions, and giving us more peace of mind. We could probably have a full main, but why worry about it? Yeah, and we're sailing with the Genoa. Wow, we just picked up some speed here. Our top speed so far in this one little leg has been 19 knots. It's pretty fast. This boat feels really good, feels really stable, and it's a beautiful day. And the sea conditions should start laying down a little bit as the hours go by. So, nice day sailing.
What you got there, Holly?
This is, I think, a cassava.
Ah, it's
And
huge.
It's huge, and I think I'm gonna make curry.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. That's like an industrial peeler you have.
It's pretty hardcore. Got it in France.
Plan is to arrive to Miami early Sunday morning. As planned, and try and still make it. So in order to do that, we're going to switch to the asymmetrical spinnaker. Right now, during the night, we were sailing with 1 reef in the main, code 65. The wind, we had sustained wind above 20, 25. We decided to calm things down and furled the code 65, switched back to the Genoa. So we've been in this condition. The wind is going back down, 18, 19. The sea state has gotten better. We have cross swell, so it's, as you can probably feel it, it's a little bouncy, but it's gotten better. But we know it's going to, as we get closer to the Bahamas, it's going to line up. So we have about 12 hours of this but it seems totally manageable. So what we're going to do is we are going to unreef the main, go full main, furl the genois, and then we'll replace it with the A2. And that's the plan. We hadn't put the hydro generator because the sea state was pretty bouncy as we left, and we didn't know what kind of sea state. And I've been a little bit lazy to put it, but right now is a good time to put it.
Okay, so now we're generating 55